This video will be your guide on how to find your Google Analytics property ID and tracking ID. How do I find my Google Analytics ID? So answered here is that to find your Google Analytics ID, follow the steps right here. For Google Analytics 4 or GA4, sign into your Google Analytics account, click on Admin in the lower left corner. In the Property column, select Data Streams, then choose the relevant data stream for your websites. Look for the measurement ID, which typically starts with G dash followed by a series of numbers and letters. So this is your Google Tag ID. For Universal Analytics, is that sign in to your Google Analytics account, click on Admin in the lower left corner. In the Property column, click on Property Settings. Then your tracking ID would be displayed at the top of the page, usually formatted as this one right here. And make sure you have the appropriate permission editor or higher to access these settings.